Go. Until I say otherwise, become an expert in the physical characteristics of the person in front of you.
Glasses are closed to see close.
Don't look at me. I'm not the person in front of you. This person in front of you. Look at the person in front of you. Your three sons, make sure you share time. Look at each other. Okay. Has everybody taken their assignment? Yes? Yep, you all good? All good? Go back to back. I now would like you to go back to back. Everybody back to back? Now, show of hands if you're either touching the person behind you right now or within an inch. Because you were about that close when you were facing him, right? You're a little closer. I don't know what it is about the little fanny thing, but people tend to get a little closer. You guys surprise me a little. What I'd like you to do right now, back to back, I want you to make 3 changes to your physical appearance. 3 changes to your physical appearance, back to back, go. 3 changes to your physical appearance.
Big Al.
Those are some sneaky little changes.
Oh, crap. That's good.
Okay. Turn around, face your partner, see if you can find the changes.
No glasses. Collar up. Bag on your forehead.
That's right. Never go back.
I like to tag.
So you can put your shirt
Okay. So, by show of hands, how many of you found the changes your partner made? How many of you were observant enough to find the changes your partner made? So let me ask you a question. How'd that go? How'd it go?
Should kind of look the person over.
Was it okay? No, but I mean, how'd that exercise go for you? A little awkward at first? And Jim got all 3, Tim got 2.
Yeah.
Tim got 2, he got all 3. There's a song like that. Tim got 2. Anyone else? How did it feel? How'd that go?
Well, at first it felt a little odd because you weren't sure what you were looking for. So I think that we were trying to figure out what our task was.
Okay. Did you figure it out?
Before I turned around.
What did you do?
No, but I mean, I got 2 out of 3.
You got 2 out of 3. That's not bad. That's not bad. How many did you get? 2 out of 3? Okay. Everybody got at least 2 out of 3?
I got
All right. So. All right. Sometimes you know the change is done. So I mean, just in terms of overall, what was your personal feeling in this? Fun? I got fun. I got what? Awkward? What?
It was awkward at first, but it was fun.
Okay. Okay, cool. So the question is, why do something like this? Why would I, in the middle of a program like this, ask you to face each other, observe, make observations, turn around and change things? Why would I want you to do that? Engagement? What else? Personal reason?
You're not going to look at that thing.
Yeah, oh, to check?
Recognize.
Okay, check in with people doing a little bit different.
How focused are you with others?
Yeah? What was that?
Pay attention?
Let's see, we're paying attention, but, so when we're.
matters?
Huh? Who you are matters? Okay, well, that's good, thank you. Before, well, no.
5 points.
Yeah. Would you guys, just go back to back again? Now, what I'd like you to do this time is I'd like you to make 4 changes, 4 more. But before you do, 4 more. But before you do, please put your hand in the air if you've already changed your original changes back. Okay, those of you with your hand in the air, this is a total of 7. 3 plus 4. So, 7 changes, starting now, please go. Total of 7 now.
I got one when I did the first time.
Well, if you want to do different ones, it's okay, but you gotta have 7. 4 more, in addition to the first 3. We got 0. Can you send us out notes to people I've talked about pride, so you get some slack? Okay, go ahead and,
Don't worry, I'm not
turn
videotaping
around
this,
and
but
see if you can identify the partner's changes.
I'm not recording this at all.
Alright, so I have to say, so I have to put that back the way it was. Chair? Oh, so your hair kind of looks fixed now. You didn't put the press on. Your collar is buttoned and sort of unbuttoned here. You got your name badge here. Your shirt tail is out. Is that it? Okay, now how do you make that? This one, well, I didn't do that on purpose. Yes, I mean, like I said, I can. Go ahead.
All right, if you haven't
Yes, I
identified
did.
changes,
So I
go ahead
did
and
that
tell your
one.
partner which one they were.
Oh, see, I didn't get that one.
All right, okay.
I also took off my rings.
So folks, you did it twice. I want to see, what's the difference? Hey folks? Guys, ladies and gentlemen? What was the difference between the first time and the second time for you? How'd it go?
Pay more attention.
Paid more attention?
Oh, I mean, before I was looking at eye color.
You're looking at eye color?
I didn't know we were going through.
Okay, so you're always trying to know what to look for better. How'd it feel this time? Easier, fun? Not as awkward? You guys can make a dozen more changes? Okay, good. What else? How else did it go? What was different? Any other thoughts? Yeah? Huh? Yeah, okay. Anybody else? Anything else? Okay, here's the question. Why? Oh, by the way, how many of you got all 7? You got all 7? Oh, how many of you got 6 of the 7? 5. Okay. All right. So why would I have you do this a second time? Why did I have you do it twice? Think about this. In the context of what we're talking about, coming in with a positive mindset, creating a little bit of a culture shift, a little bit of a mindset shift, why would I ask you to do this exercise twice?
You're likely to be more observant. Second time around.
See if you're more observant second time around. What else? Why would I have you do this exercise a second time? What's that? and you remove your awkwardness social scripts, okay? Becomes more of a routine. So you're saying how really easier.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So, first of all, thank you. Number one. Second of all, what I'd like you to do is go back to back. Okay. Now, watch this. Back to back, please. Some of you are resisting here. Well, it looks like resistance is just misunderstanding. So, what I'd like you to do this time is I want you to make 5 more changes. By show of hands, how many of you have already put your changes back? Those of you with your hands in the air, this is a total of 12. Okay? Now, before you do, let me just ask a question or two. Yeah, I'm serious. I mean, when I said to do the 4 more, I got some real looks. When I said 12, I heard some big swallows. Now, I just want to ask, just out of curiosity, was there anybody that kind of walked over to the table and went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I mean, did everybody just start to? I mean, there were 6 changes for me right there in about 5 seconds. How many of you just started picking up stuff off the table? Show of hands. All right. Anybody take anything off? Oh, come on. All right, just checking. How many of you looked around and realized, oh my gosh, I'm not the only person going through this right now? Anybody realize I'm not the only one? Keep your hands up. If you said, hey, let me help you. You reach out and help someone? Collaborate? Trade? Offer assistance? Have someone's back? Share? I saw you guys changing glasses. That's the only evidence in this team of people who just swore they would have each other's back that actually had each other's back, and it was 1 out of 7. What I'd like you to do, I'm going to give you 1/2 the time. I want you to get all 12 changes done in 30 seconds. Go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Face your partner.
I don't think
All right, so you put the pen in your pocket, that you're holding, I don't know why. Put that
Okay.
up here, but it was the rear to give it
Let's talk about this. We got some serious issues to talk about. We got some serious issues. So, how many of you have discovered this is not an observation
Oh, I thought you
quiz?
didn't have the thing. All right.
Now, this is really not about observing how many changes you make. But rather your actions to be asking you to make some change. You guys got that? How did it go this time? Tough to make that many in that short, but you seem to have. Everyone seems to have gotten a lot. How many now, if you really had to, can make a dozen more? We're not going to. But we're not going to. You can make another dozen. So what's the lesson? What's the lesson here? What's the lesson?
Change isn't hard.
Change is not hard. Now I heard there were several folks who said positivity might make us more receptive to change, and might consider change always bad. But let's just, so change maybe isn't as hard. What else? What's some other lessons here? Huh? Cooperate? So that's a lot easier once you started cooperating, yeah?
I said there's other people there.
There's other people that help. You're not alone in the elevator.
Much longer, I was gonna be in trouble.
Right? Yeah, we're gonna worry about HR, right? We have only one more change that we can make before HR guys get involved.
Okay.
All right. So let's just stand up here. By the way, how many of you have already finished putting all your changes back?
I'm working on it.
Okay. By the way, you can leave them, or you can put them back. The choice is yours. If you're more comfortable leaving it, please do. Now, how did it feel when you were becoming an expert on your partner? How'd that feel? Awkward?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, you guys just, because I saw you guys like looking at each other. Yeah, I know you guys had a little thing there, but for the rest of us. No, but sometimes it is a little awkward, right? Because we haven't done that before. We haven't socialized the idea that Mike and I are just going to sit here and kind of look at each other and what am I looking at and why, and, right? We're flat. Boom! We gotta at least make it work. Boom! All right, boom. So now, did your stress level go up or down, when and why? What did your stress? Think about your stress during this. Did it go up or down, when and why?
That when you knew the person.
Down, once so. After the first time or so, it kind of went down. Yeah.
Stressful,
So
awkward.
yeah, we saw everybody doing it. Everyone's awkward. Suddenly, it's not awkward anymore because we're all in it together. Guess what? That's how social scripts work, right? What about this? When did it become easiest? We started helping each other, right? Change is easy. Change is a team sport, folks. It's easier when you help each other, right? How many of you changed back before it was over? Go ahead and raise it one more time just for posterity's sake. Yeah, everybody change. Why?
That's what you're comfortable with still.
Yeah, but so I mean, let's just get this straight. What we're talking about going out to the whole of Firestone, we got a 5-year plan, we're moving down and out, all that stuff. That's easy change, right? We just kind of just get people, once they're in, right? They're not going to change back. See, people's natural reaction to change is to go back when the pressure's off. Come on, it's not bad. That's just who we are. But what does that tell us as leaders?
You have a focused effort to make sure that doesn't happen.
You gotta have some focus effort, you gotta have some structure, some accountability. You gotta have someone that helps you keep the pressure on. Right? How many of you did, I mean, we talked about that. I always saw one example of one exchange immediately after Devin, in 2 different situations, once before the tear-off activity and once after it, once no less than 30 seconds before I came up here, say, how many of you are not going to be limited by old social scripts and got each other's back if they need it? How many of you would be willing to help out if someone else needs a little help? But why? Why did we not do that? Look.
We didn't know it was a test.
Oh, you didn't mean it? Oh, you didn't mean it?
No, I swear, I guarantee, because I don't have any belief whatsoever that you are lying. I think you actually meant it, just like everyone else did. But listen, this is what the science says. Even a teeny bit of stress throws us off our intentions. I believe you all intended exactly what you said. That we won't be limited by old social scripts. That we will help one another. But guess what? Under pressure, we tend to feel like we're going through it all alone. Everything. That's why the fundamental thing about social investment is the time you need it most is when it's the trickiest to do. We're wired against it at the time we need it most. When we got adversity or change, the likelihood of our success through adversity and change is directly proportional to the strength of our social network. And yet, that's exactly what we focus in with. So what's that tell us about change? We need to kind of work together. When we go out, this group, look around. How many of you are there here? 23. How many in building products? Okay? So, given those rough numbers, would you say you're more like this or more like this? Yeah, it's already hard up here, right? Even a little bit of change, even amongst friends in an environment fully supportive of it, where you guys just committed to each other, it's tough. And that's okay. That's how change is. But the reason we're doing this is if we don't acknowledge that, if we don't have that kind of inner wherewithal when we're getting people to go through these changes, if we're not thinking about that, it's going to be really tough to effectively lead people. But if we do know this, first we can apply it to ourselves. How many of you, show of hands, would be willing to actually support one another here? Okay? Now we just got to be a little bit more dialed in and conscious of it, right? Okay. So I'm going to pull us forward here again and just say, social scripts, those things that kind of pull us right back to our normal way of behaving, are extraordinarily powerful. And we can use them to our own advantage. That's the other part about it. When we rewrite the social script to make it more comfortable, we're perceived as charismatic. We're perceived as effective. We're perceived as good leaders. But understanding the power of social script is critical to that. So, let's take another look here. I want you to watch this gentleman, right? Now, I'm going to make the argument that this is a gentleman like you